stars. We can sleep under the stars or hang out in hotel bars. Driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars. We can sleep under the stars. Under the stars.
Does it get any better than this? Glorious sunset, amazing views. My bed's already made up, so that's home for the night. Got a few new bits of gear to show you. The Jetboil Minimo. We'll have a look around the Rab Unishelter Classic Bivi, and in there I'm going to be testing the Rab Mythic Ultra 180. But before I do that, I'm going to watch that sun go down. I think that's it for the sunshine. Some awesome colour still, aren't there? So I'll quickly show you around the bivy bag. Well, we've still got a little bit of light. It's a school night, so I've got to get away really early in the morning, so there won't be any sunlight in the morning. So the bivy is the Rab Unishelter Classic Bivi. Weighs in at just over a kilo. I think it's about 1.1 kilo, something like that. What I really like about it is the fact it's got a zip that goes halfway down, so it makes it much easier to get in there. And as an added bonus, it's got a no-seam mesh, so there's no critters getting in there either. And as you know, I hate the ticks, so this will come in really handy. So I don't think it's the same material as the Ridge Raider. I think this is called Tex or something. It looks the same, but the spec sheet says otherwise. Got a single hoop which passes through this sleeve, then you can guy it out, so all in all you need 5 stakes. However, you can get away without using these ones at the bottom, and I like the fact that you can lift the bivy up as well, so this will help a little bit with the airflow, so hopefully that will help reduce any condensation. So you can roll this up out of the way. So that means if you want a proper night staring at the stars, then this bivy is perfect. It's starting to get a bit dark, so I might think about sorting out my supper. So I'm not going full on review with this today. I ain't got a lot of time really, but you'll be seeing plenty of it. So it comes with a canister stand which clips inside of the lid, and here you've got the main stove itself. And there's also a pot stand that comes supplied with it. So this means I can use a frying pan or a different pot if I wish to. This doubles up as a measuring cup, and it also protects the bottom, keeps the dirt out when it's in your pack. So the canister just screws on the bottom, like most of this kind of stove. This will give it that little bit more stability. And then the pot just slots in, then you twist it to lock it into place. Just make sure we're quite stable, not going anywhere that. So it's got a very sensitive simmer control, and it's also got a piezo igniter built into it. when I can find it. So let's turn the gas on. There we go. Let's pop the lid on. So the Met Office has dished out a yellow warning for wind, and we are expecting a little bit of rain later on. So I bought a tarp if I need it, but if I can get away with just the bivvy, that'll be perfect for me. Keep getting told off by people for using plastic bottles. I do recycle them properly, so it's not like going into the ocean or anything like that. And some of them I use over and over again. It's takeaway night tonight. Chicken tikka and rice. Fill line A. Really quick that. It's very efficient as well. Can't find the little sachet thing again. Got it. Let's hide that under the bottle. So I never thought I could get so emotional about a jet boil. But this one, I had it sent to me across the Atlantic by Eric and Anne. They watch my videos and they live near the Appalachian Trail, which I'd love to do one day. And they said that they've got an awful lot out of my videos. But it wasn't just the stove that I was chuffed with. Obviously I'm chuffed to bits with it. But they wrote me a lovely letter, telling me about how they'd love to come over to the Lake District and have a trip around there. Obviously it's a different environment to what they've got over in America. But they even sent me a little mug with a bear on it, which I think is one of a kind. You're not going to get one of those in the UK. So I know I've already thanked you already, Eric and Anne, but here's a big thank you on air as well. A little bit of rain on the way, so I'm going to get the tarp set up, I think. So I've got the DD Superlight Tarp S, setting the trekking pole at about 130. Just put these little adjusters on. Sky's going moody now, look. All you can see is silhouettes everywhere. Almost 7 o'clock. At least one star showed its face, so it's not quite camping under the stars, but it's still perfect. I timed that just right to get the tarp up. It just started to rain. It's just started to get windy as well. All adds to the fun now. The water seems to be beading off the bivvy quite nicely, and the tarp means I can get in and out, without getting my sleeping bag wet through. I really wish this camera could do this justice. Stars are amazing. I'm doubting that that's picking up anything at all. I'm hoping I can get a photo using the night mode. Wish me luck. camera's just not up to the job, but you can pick some stars out. It's only 8 o'clock, but I'm gonna get in the feather and get my head down for a bit. I'm gonna keep this zip down as long as possible so I can stare out the window at the stars. So I'll see you in the morning. Plenty of room. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Thought we could have another quick look. The rain's coming down a bit quicker now and the wind's picking up somewhat. Not sure what that is. I've taken out the pegs on the end, which allows me a bit more freedom with my feet. Anyway, it's work tomorrow, so I better try and get some sleep. So the winds have picked up a fair bit. Not had much sleep. Yeah. It's now about 1 AM. Absolutely freezing. Got a layer on now, so that's where I've been snug all night. Felt strange going back to the sleeping bag after using a quilt for a while, but it was nice getting on the X-Bed Hyperlight. That was really comfortable. Better start packing some of this stuff away though. Not bad for a 400 gram 0 degree bag, is it? Better not lose it. The car keys are in here. See the headspace you get in the Bivi now. Not going to bother zipping it up. It's going to get aired out when I get home anyway. So you can get a better view of the tarp space now. So I could actually lie easily under there. I'll just get that down in the bag and then we can try and navigate back to the car. Again, nothing fancy. Just going to get it packed away. It's always much harder packing away in the dark. You need to make sure that you've got everything and nothing blows away. Everything accounted for. Don't leave me go, brother. Time to navigate in the dark. Sometimes technology makes it so much easier. These kind of things are a bit harder to do in the dark. Just need to take care. If you'd like to see a different type of hoop bivvy, then check out this video here. You'll also see an epic sunrise. You're not going to see one in this video because that's it for this one. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.